Happy Monday. Welcome to Tesla Shorts Time Daily, episode 462. I'm Patrick in Vancouver. Today is May 4th, 2026. Let's see what the new week has in store for Tesla. Tesla has started producing its semi-electric trucks at a dedicated factory in Nevada. Production has started after a long development period at this special Nevada facility. This step forward allows Tesla to ramp up output of its electric semi-trucks for commercial use. It signals progress in Tesla's heavy-duty vehicle segment, which could help the company enter new markets and compete in the trucking industry. The special facility is designed specifically for these larger vehicles, allowing for tailored production processes. This could open up opportunities in the commercial trucking sector where electric options are still emerging. From a business perspective, this expansion into heavy-duty trucks represents a significant step beyond passenger vehicles. With vehicle production advancing, April sales numbers show how external conditions are accelerating demand. Tesla experienced a 145% surge in sales during April amid a fuel crisis affecting drivers. The increase highlights how external factors like rising fuel costs can boost interest in electric vehicles. This growth could strengthen Tesla's position in markets sensitive to energy prices and support overall volume targets. Rising fuel prices have made the operating costs of electric vehicles more appealing to a broader range of buyers. Tesla is well positioned to capitalize on this trend in various regions. Electric vehicle sales overall doubled in April, with the Tesla Model Y at the forefront of the growth. The Model Y's popularity continues to drive electric vehicle adoption in the market. This performance underscores Tesla's strong competitive stance in the sport utility vehicle segment amid rising electric vehicle interest. The sales strength is part of a wider electric vehicle uptake, where the Model Y continues to lead. Tesla's full self-driving system has accumulated 10 billion miles driven, reaching a key threshold set by Elon Musk for unsupervised operation. This milestone demonstrates the scale of data collection supporting the technology. It brings the company closer to achieving fully autonomous driving capabilities. The system has now hit this important mark through extensive real-world usage. This amount of mileage provides a substantial foundation for improving the algorithms behind the system. While the data keeps growing, some early, full self-driving buyers are now pursuing legal action over hardware limits. Early buyers of full self-driving on Hardware 3 hardware now face the need for a major upgrade to reach unsupervised capability. A class action claim has emerged in Europe over changed expectations regarding the hardware. The shift from earlier promises of full functionality on existing hardware has left some owners feeling the terms have changed. Tesla faces pressure to manage customer trust and potential upgrade solutions to limit legal exposure. This situation highlights the challenges in delivering on long-term autonomy promises as technology evolves. Tesla will need to address these concerns to maintain confidence among its customer base. Legal questions around autonomy sit alongside Tesla's latest financial results. Tesla's first quarter earnings surpassed expectations with a continued emphasis on artificial intelligence and neural network developments. The results reflect solid financial performance despite market challenges. This focus on artificial intelligence could position Tesla for future growth in autonomy and robotics. The earnings beat shows resilience in the face of various industry pressures. Investors seem to appreciate the long-term vision, even as short-term results come in. The earnings update comes as Tesla showcased its robo-taxi vision to a big audience. Tesla displayed the Cybercab robo-taxi in a glass box during the Miami F1 Grand Prix event. The showcase brings the autonomous vehicle concept to a high-profile audience. It helps build public awareness and excitement for Tesla's robo-taxi plans as the company advances its autonomy technology. The vehicle was shown inside a glass enclosure to draw attention from attendees at the race. This kind of event allows Tesla to present its vision in an engaging way to influential people. Public showcases like this contrast with real-world efficiency questions that do not always follow simple assumptions. Taking a step back from today's headlines, the observation that small electric vehicles like the Renault 4 or Chevy Bolt achieve only marginally better efficiency than larger models at highway speeds upends the common belief that downsizing is the straightforward path to better energy use. Many assume that lower weight and reduced frontal area would lead to significantly higher miles per kilowatt hour, but real-world experiences show this is not always the case. This challenges the idea that smaller is always more efficient in the electric vehicle space. The data from drivers at 75 miles per hour reveals that these small electric vehicles get about 3 to 3.5 miles per kilowatt hour, which is comparable to or even lower than some sleek larger sedans like the Model 3. The smaller frontal area and lower weight should help, yet the drag coefficients of these compact models are not as optimized as expected. This comparison highlights how other elements, such as tire choices and body shape, play into the overall efficiency equation. It shows that physics does not always favor the smallest option as much as intuition suggests. Tesla's engineering focus on aerodynamics and integrated software for energy management positions it well to address these realities. By prioritizing low drag designs and efficient power delivery, the company can achieve strong efficiency numbers even in larger vehicles. This approach means that scaling production across different sizes does not require sacrificing performance in the way some competitors might face. Efficiency realities like these make competitive pricing strategies even more important for broader adoption. A Tesla model is being offered at £295 per month in Britain. This leasing deal is being highlighted as potentially the best value new car in the market. The monthly cost stands out in a market where buyers are looking for affordable electric options. It reflects Tesla's strategy to make its vehicles accessible through leasing options in competitive European markets. This could help Tesla maintain momentum in Europe through competitive financing. Such deals can lower the barrier for new buyers considering the switch to electric. Strong value propositions help explain why some owners are putting serious miles on their vehicles. A high-mileage Tesla Model Y in Wisconsin has drawn attention for still handling daily towing duties after 367,000 miles. The vehicle's durability raises questions about its resale pricing for high-mileage examples. This example shows real-world longevity that could influence buyer perceptions of Tesla reliability. The continued performance after such extensive use provides evidence of strong build quality over time. Owners like this one demonstrate that these vehicles can handle demanding tasks even after accumulating significant distance. Real-world longevity stories sit against the backdrop of this week's market stability. TSLA has shown stability around the $390 level this week. Positive April sales and production updates provided support. Autonomy advancements also contributed to the week's tone. The stability reflects a balanced investor response to the mix of production progress and other developments. Reports indicate that Elon Musk's Terafab project is advancing rapidly, potentially signaling major developments for Tesla. The fast pace could lead to new manufacturing capabilities or product innovations. This progress might accelerate Tesla's ability to scale production and introduce new technologies. An auto enthusiast has created a custom hybrid by combining elements of a Ford Mustang with Tesla components. The project showcases creative ways people are experimenting with electric powertrains in classic designs. It highlights growing interest in modifying vehicles to incorporate Tesla technology. Before we go, keep an eye on further updates regarding the semi-truck production as Tesla looks to expand in the commercial vehicle space. Keep that up. That's your Tesla news for today. TSLA closed at $390.82, down 52 cents, 0.1%. If you found this useful, a rating or review on Apple Podcasts or Spotify really helps new listeners find the show. You can also find us on X at Tesla Shorts Time. I'm Patrick in Vancouver. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you tomorrow. This podcast is curated by Patrick but generated using AI voice synthesis of my voice. The primary reason to do this is I unfortunately don't have the time to be consistent with generating all the content and wanted to focus on creating consistent and regular episodes for all the themes that I enjoy, and I hope others do as well.